In this video, we will be talking about table styles. In previous video, we were discussing about how to insert a table. We have inserted one table here, and now we have to change style, make it more from our side, make changes like we want. Okay, so I will go to styles, table styles, and you can go to manage table styles, and I will try to create my own style. Okay, new, and say auto table. That is my name. Okay, continue, and one window will pop up like all other style commands, and you can control all these styles you want. Okay, let's say I don't want this table to start from top and go to bottom. I want it something like a bill of material. So if I want to add something, I can add it in upper rows. Okay, so I want completely reverse. I want title at bottom and rows at the top. So I can go to this up format where title is at the bottom and header the rows and at the top. Okay, then cell styles, you have three types of cell we have discussed in previous video. We have a data, we have a header, and we have a title. So you can select that data and you can change properties of. So let us start with the title. I want title to be color yellow. Okay, this is a fill color, so I don't want that fill color. I want a text color, so you can always go with a text color. Okay, I want it yellow. Borders, let us say I want borders to be of color green. Okay, text borders will be of the color green, and then you can say the label what you want, then format, text format what you want. Okay, alignment, I want it to top left, it will go to top left. Top center, generally it is at top center or middle center. Okay, this is basically cell alignment which we do in lot of softwares. Similarly, I can change for the data. I want a fill color of say select color, and I will say some light color. I will go to true color and I will just put some light color for data. Okay, and to read that data I will just go to text and make it red. That will be readable. Okay, then again you can control the text height. I want say text height of 2, then general text height of 2 will be very large, so I'm just going with 0.5. Okay, and I can say okay. So this is how I want my table to be. Title may be very small and data, and I will say set current, close, and then I will select this table and I want to assign property of this, and yeah, my table is getting changed with the style. Now you can easily control the arrows, and using arrows you can easily make table and find editing of this table. Okay, so I don't want this to be top, I will just go with the middle center. Editing is very easy with the tables, and then you can start adding like a bill of material 1 2 3 4 5, and your table will keep on updating. Okay, so this is how you can make a table can be used for title blocks, table can be used for text content, table can be used for different part material, different part number, different properties of a part, describe a properties of a part. For these things tables can be used, so use tables accordingly. Use different table styles, customize tables according to your requirement, and then start using a table. Thank you.